Welcome. If you're wondering how to see spam message requests on X, formerly known as Twitter, after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to uncover those hidden or filtered DMs using your PC browser. Let's get started. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your main feed, look to the left sidebar and find the More icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, head over to Privacy and Safety. This is where you'll find all the controls for your account's privacy, including your direct message settings. Click on Direct Messages to access the options that determine who can contact you and how those messages are managed. Now pay close attention to the section that controls message requests. Make sure that the setting for who can send you message requests is not set to no one. If it is, you won't receive any message requests at all, including those that might be filtered as spam or from people you don't follow. Change this option to allow at least everyone or people you follow, depending on your preference. Next, look for the option labeled Filter Low-Quality Messages. By default, this might be checked to help keep spam out of your inbox. However, if you want to see all message requests, including those that might be flagged as spam, uncheck this box. This will ensure that even low-quality or suspicious messages will appear in your message requests folder. After you've made these changes, return to your Messages section from the left sidebar. You should now see a Message Requests tab. Click on it, and you'll find all the DMS sent by people you don't follow, including any that were previously filtered as spam or low quality. That's it. By following these steps, you'll have full visibility of all your message requests on X, even the ones that used to be hidden. Just remember, opening up your DMS can increase the amount of spam you receive, so check your requests folder carefully and don't engage with suspicious messages. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips on managing your online experience.